Today we are going to check out these gorgeous bob and pixie haircut ideas. So there will be a part 2 for this particular video. So if you enjoy this one, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as like this one for more. So first up we see a gorgeous pixie hair transformation. So the stylist is using a razor and a comb in order to do this particular cut. This is of course creating a nice choppy layered effect. She does end up having longer bangs with this one, which absolutely elevates this pixie. Gorgeous. Beautiful shape overall. Love the choppy feel that it has as well. And then we see someone who has very long hair going into this gorgeous bob haircut. So she does end up getting waves as well as a slight angle with this particular cut. The shape is absolutely gorgeous. I think the stylist did a great job of cutting her hair. And this is quite a drastic change from going from super long hair to this bob. Next, the stylist is doing these gorgeous angled bangs with this particular haircut. So along with the bangs, she does end up getting this stunning bob as well. I don't typically like wavy bobs, but I think that this one just really looks amazing. Such beautiful texture, and that bob is absolutely perfect in length. And then for those aspiring stylists, here is some elements of how you would cut a bob. Beautiful, nice sombre color with this one. And of course the bob looks amazing. Then we move into the next bob transformation. So this one does feature a standard size bob. So it ends around neck length, shoulder length. Then we move into the next hair transformation. So she also starts off with super long hair, and she does end up getting a bob haircut. So far it looks like she's getting a longer bob with this particular cut. So she ended up getting bangs as well. The hair comes to around shoulder length with this one. This is gorgeous. Nice fringe bangs, blunt ends, absolutely stunning haircut. Then we move into this gorgeous silver toned pixie. Next up, we see another bob transformation. So she does end up getting a longer bob with this one as well. Some nice brushed color. Very soft kind of ombre, sombre hair color going on with this transformation. Middle part, very blunt ends. Gorgeous bob. So the next hair transformation starts off with someone with long, kind of wavy hair. So I would say that this is a very long bob or just a shoulder length, mid-length haircut. She does have waves as well. Alright guys, so this is going to be part 1 for the bob and pixie haircut transformations. Stay tuned for part 2. Be sure to like this video, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.